Uppy, who was on the at-risk list and got rescued. I can't control my camera now. I think they shaved him maybe better this time. He looks really good. Really pretty boy, and very nice, really very nice. No handling issue. He's easy in and out of the cage. He walks nicely. He does his business as soon as he comes out of the cage here in the yard. Marks a little bit his territory, wags his tail non-stop. Loves food. Yeah, he loves food. Comes on the lap. Really a nice little guy. And trim. Right, here a little marking. That's right, Uppy. That's right, Uppy. His cage is very clean though. Very, very, very clean. So he does outside, it seems, and he doesn't sort his bedding, which is really nice. So this is little Uppy. I know he has been rescued, but I had to do a little video of him. I like him very much. Uppy. Yes.